Everybody, welcome back. We are doing a comparison test today. We are gonna go ahead and I was looking in my local newspaper, the ads, if you will, for the local store, and found out at the Kroger they were doing a $1.88 per pound for St. Louis style cut spare ribs. Hey, that looks awesome. Let's go and buy some. I also saw that they had the in-store pre-cooked. All you had to do was reheat it. Ribs also for sale. They were just $9.99. So I thought, hey, let's go and do a comparison. So let's go and roll that beautiful rib footage.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. Today we are doing a comparison cook. I picked up these two racks of ribs from the store, and we're going to compare them and how they taste. We want to do this for a while. You have the, I'm not sure what these are, to be honest. Well, they're baby back ribs, I get that. I'm not sure how they're actually cooked. They say they're cooked in a preferred method. Pit smoker, we'll see how that actually tastes against what I can do with this St. Louis style cut rack of ribs right here. So we're going to get to that now and put these guys back in the fridge, because that's what they'll be for a good probably 4 hours while we get the St. Louis style ribs cooked up.
On this guy, we're actually gonna rotate it. You see a lot of good pullback right here, not as much over here. We're just gonna rotate it 180 degrees. you think, kiddo?
Good. Why are you opening another bag?
We're doing a comparison. They said to put sauce on it, but as you can see, there's sauce already on it. I think we're gonna let that go. I think halfway through the cook, we're gonna check on it and see if it needs any more. They say to wrap it up, and put it in the oven at 350 degrees. That's weird. Put it right in the oven. I would go and check it now. See if we need to sauce them or not. Let's see how they're doing. Looks exactly the same. Probably just a little warmer. Yeah, not hot. Interesting. Okay. I think we are going to sauce these. I don't like the color of this barbecue sauce. Just personal preference. I'm going to do that now. There we go. A little more red in there. That's what I like to see. I'm going to do a loose wrapping on this and put it back in the oven. Beignet is a good boy.
It happens. All right, so we now have these beautiful ribs. Well, I'm not going to be plural with how I say beautiful. We have two ribs. One looks pretty good. One looks okay. Go right ahead. Tell you what, let's go ahead and slice these guys up, and we'll see how this works. Okay. Yeah, pretty good. Okay. I didn't think about cutting these.
Cut at after every bone.
Well, I'm sorry. I mean, I don't have space. I don't have really good space for them. Yeah. There's one rib. Go ahead.
Nom.
There's two.
Nom.
So here's the first one. This looks great. The bone.
Yeah.
Not bad. Let's go ahead and get a little more.
It's not good either.
It's not good?
It's really good. It's not good either. It's really good.
It's really good. There you go. Perfect. Let's go and get more from the main part of the rib here.
Yum. Yeah. I think that was stuck in my tooth.
Oof. Okay. I normally don't like getting just the pre-cut St. Louis style cut spare ribs at the store. I like to cut them off from the full spare ribs and you can go from there. So this is a pretty good looking
Piece.
I think how it's cooked. And this the meat is probably over. I probably did cook this a little longer than I wanted to, just for my personal taste. However, I think you like it a lot, and I know my wife likes that a lot too, where it's pull off the bone versus just bite off the bone. But I did not want to wrap this or foil it while it's in the cooker itself. I was gonna put some sauce on it, but then I looked at it and was, that is just too beautiful to waste with barbecue sauce, right? Yeah, and that's called the bark. When you eat it, it's like it barks at you. Incredible. Okay.
Yum. Yum.
Pretty good. Pretty good cook.
My ears itchy, but I can't itch it.
Like this.
Try to.
What do you do if your nose itches? All right. Now we got. So yes, this is these are baby back ribs, not spare ribs. So these are a little different ribs. So these will taste a little different. You can use your words too. However, so they're gonna be a little smaller. I got that. Okay. There we go. Here we go. There you can see. I'll do a little comparison here. A beautiful smoke ring on here. I don't see a smoke ring. It did say it was smoked with natural wood. I don't see evidence of that.
It's much easier to bite into versus pulling it apart. I can just do this. I can just do this.
So what are you saying? You like this one better?
Sometimes it's just easy to pull, bite it.
Okay. I'm actually, I'll say pleasantly surprised. There's not much smoke flavor on there, so not much barbecue.
Yum.
When we advertise them as barbecue ribs, without having any good barbecue flavor on there, it's kind of difficult in my opinion. But if you don't have a barbecue, all you have is an oven to cook these. I mean, I would personally say buy the ribs from the package and cook them up yourself anyway. But from a half hour, from start to finish, you have these things ready to go. Not the end of the world. Let's go ahead and on one more bite. I haven't got a good bite of this guy yet, I don't think. Okay. Let's see how the real bite off the bone is. So, we'll see.
Yum.
Trying to show me. Get this on camera here. Look at all that moisture in there. You don't get that when you are reheating ribs in the oven. So I think a lot of times when people think of barbecue ribs, they think of the overly sauced, probably under-seasoned and under-flavored barbecue ribs.
When I think of the bark on that, I think of that.
Mm-hmm. No, you do because you're an because you're a pit master. You're a sous chef, huh? Normally, when say you go to a chain restaurant all across the country, I think a lot of times you're probably getting these overly sauced, probably somewhat smoked in a huge commercially sized oven. And that's all you get. There might be a slight smoke flavor, but the majority of what you're probably getting is probably from liquid smoke or something like that. But obviously, this wasn't a true, or I'd say fair comparison because there's no competition against home cooked barbecue, especially when you have especially ribs, right, kiddo? Yeah. So, let's get over. Let's get over. Go this way. There you go. Any questions? Please let me know. Please let you know. Yeah. Fun comparison because you get to have delicious barbecue. So I'm not complaining too much. Go ahead and clean up and maybe get a side going. But thanks for watching, everybody. Keep barbecuing America. You want to say anything? No? Okay. Have a great day. It's juice and flavor. How'd it taste? Good? Yeah. It's pretty good too. Oof, look at that.